All right, so today we're going to take a look at this pet hair trimmer set. So it has, well, here's the main trimmer right here with the main head, and it does work well. I already used it once, and it was very highly functional. Came charged, so that was awesome. We'll go over the different types of heads there. It's got different heads for smaller parts of the body. It's got a double extra trimmer, so you're not down to like a 1. You can trim it a little bit less. Brushes for the blades. Got a little blade oil there, which is good. The charging cable, and it comes with a stainless steel comb and set of scissors. So it's a full kit, all-encompassing kit. And the shaver itself, or the trimmer itself, is it's lightweight. It's not heavy. It's easy to operate. I mean, it's just pretty easy to move and operate, which is good. And but as far as noise wise, it's a fairly quiet trimmer, so it didn't spook my pet. My pet is a really good pet, but it didn't spook it too much. And once they got used to it, it was almost like a little relaxing sound for them. But overall, the functioning of the blade worked well. Trimmed exactly what I needed, and it was easy to clean as well when I was done. So overall, nice little trimmer set. I do hope this review was helpful, and I hope you have a great night. Thank you.
Toenails. You can use this for in between toe pads. Oops. You can do these for feet pads. You just switch it out in the main thing. You just pull up and it switches them out.